What's going on, guys? So I got me another racing simulator cockpit right here. And we are going to set this one up. I'm gonna install it on over here on this side. I got a ultra wide monitor. We're gonna play Gran Turismo on this thing. But first, we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and everything. It's pretty heavy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what this thing is capable of. I do have a Logitech set. I believe it's called a 920. Even got the shifting gear and everything. So I'm gonna install it on this little baby right here. And we're gonna test it out on that monitor with the PlayStation 5. Obviously, Gran Turismo, that's my #1 game right there. Let's do it. All right, guys, so before I place this next to my desk, I want to show you guys the folding system right here. So let me just move all of this out of the way. Right now it's folded and is the most collapsed and is standing on its own, okay? So first off, there's this little Velcro right here that actually hold this together. So you can unfold that right there and it will unpack. But before I do that, I don't want to do that yet. I want to go ahead and unpack the little leg right here. So here are the pedals. It goes down. There's a little Velcro that attached to this side right here that you can hold that up. All right. Now, this here, once you unpack this, this goes down and you have yourself, voila, racing cockpit right there. I did fold the steering wheel down. So what I do now is I pull this up, tighten this right here. There you go. There's the adjustment right there. Plug everything in, you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and fold it, all right? Steering wheel, collapse down, and then fold this. You hear that click, click, click? Okay, so let me show you what that clicking is. That clicking is basically adjustment to how high you want this. So let's say if you want it this high, you can do that with the seat. Now what you do is you're collapsing it the entire way. And once again, there's Velcro right here. Strap, boom, stays in place. And then the pedal, up, and it goes through here, and boom. So there you go. The entire thing is now collapsed. All the extra cords and stuff like that, I just throw it inside the seat here, and we should be good to go. The next thing I do want to show you, though, is the height adjustment, because in the last video that I did for the cockpit, someone did ask about how high can this go, because to them, it's pretty low right here. So I'm going to turn this around real quick so you can kind of see how low it is right there. Now, I can collapse this like this, and it'll be higher for you. Yep. Okay. There you go. It's going to be higher. And then this backing right here, you can actually adjust the knob right over here and over here. So on both sides. And you can actually adjust the backing right here. So it all depends on how you like it. I like mine a little lower because I have short legs. Okay, so if I want mine lower, then I reset it and it goes lower. but then I can also use up the backing so that I can get closer to the steering wheel, so I'm not literally laying there, right? Okay, so one last thing I want to mention is that the shifting gear, which you see right over here, you can actually take this entire thing and put it on this side if you're one of those left-hand Japanese driving JDM type of guy, okay? You can actually install it on the left-hand side here rather than on the right-hand side. So you can change that out. One thing to keep in mind if you do purchase this is that this right here actually opens up, so you can open it that way. You can actually enter through here. Now, the one key difference there is that, the one key thing there is that if you do use a right-hand shifter, you're gonna have to route the wire right underneath the chair so that it's nice and clean. If you're installing that on the left-hand side, then it's super clean already because it's, you don't have to worry too much about it. It's already on this side. But if you're doing it on the right-hand side like I am, you're gonna have to route the wire underneath it so that it looks super clean, okay? But yeah, this is a pretty cool feature right there where you can open it up, get in, and then close it down, lock yourself in there. Okay, now let's do some racing.